Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny details or constantly losing track of your layout in Figma, this is one of those small skills that makes a huge difference. Today we're going to go over how to zoom in and out in Figma, and more importantly, how to do it efficiently so your workflow feels smooth instead of frustrating. Let's jump right in. First, there's the classic menu method. Head up to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Figma icon. From there, go down to View. Inside that menu, you'll see several zoom options. You can choose preset zoom levels like 50%, 100%, or 200%, depending on how close or far you want to be from your design. This method is great when you need precision. For example, if you're checking how something looks at actual size, 100% zoom is your go-to. Or if you're presenting your work to someone, using a fixed zoom level helps keep everything consistent and clear. You'll also notice an option called Zoom to Fit. This is a lifesaver, especially when you're working on large files with multiple frames. One click and Figma automatically adjusts your view so everything fits neatly on your screen. If you ever feel lost on the canvas, this is the fastest way to reset and get your bearings again. Now let's talk about the method you'll probably end up using the most, keyboard and mouse shortcuts. Instead of going through menus, you can hold down the Command key on Mac or Control on Windows, and then scroll with your mouse wheel. Scroll up to zoom in, scroll down to zoom out. It's quick, fluid, and once you get used to it, you won't want to go back. Here's what makes this method really powerful. Figma zooms based on where your cursor is. So if your mouse is hovering over a button, that's exactly where it will zoom in. This gives you a lot more control and saves time because you're not constantly repositioning your view. If you're using a laptop trackpad, you've got it even easier. Just use the pinch gesture. Pinch out to zoom in to zoom out. It feels very natural, almost like using your phone. And just like with the mouse, it zooms into wherever your cursor is pointing. Another useful shortcut to remember is Shift+1. This instantly zooms to fit your entire canvas. There's also Shift+2, which zooms into a selected frame, and Shift+3, which zooms into a specific selection. These are super handy when you're jumping between different parts of a project. Now, here's a small tip that can save you a lot of frustration. When you're zooming in, try to hover your cursor over the exact element you want to inspect before zooming. That way, Figma takes you directly there instead of somewhere random on the canvas. It sounds simple, but it makes navigation feel way more intentional. As your projects grow and you start working with more complex layouts, mastering zoom controls becomes less of a nice-to-have and more of a necessity. It helps you move faster, stay focused, and avoid that constant back and forth that can slow you down. And that's pretty much it. A few simple methods, but they make a big impact on how you work inside Figma. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you've got any questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.